Does cracking your back actually realign it? A lot of people think that it does, but that's not entirely true. So whether you do it or a chiropractor does it, that pop you hear is not the sound of your spine just magically realigning. All it is a release of gas pressure within your joint. And when that happens, it sends a signal up to your brain, and in response, your brain releases dopamine. And it's that release of dopamine that helps reduce pain and stiffness. So yes, cracking your back can help reduce pain, but it's not because it's realigning anything, it's because it's essentially tricking your nervous system into relaxing.